Indonesia provides visa on arrival for Indian passport holders, but the process requires standing in long queues on the airport and answer the immigration officer's questions. So, the better option is to apply it online and skip the immigration queue completely. The price is same for both the options, so let's see how we can get the e-visa online. Type Indonesia visa online on Google. Then click on the official e-visa website for Indonesia. I have attached the link in the description. Note, this particular page should open. Then click on the apply button. Select India for your region. Then select general, family or social for the main purpose. For the sub-purpose, select tourism, family visit and transit. Then select B1 tourist visa. This is a 30-day visa on arrival. Click on apply. The visa cost is 5 lakh Indonesian rupiah, which converts to around 2650 Indian rupees. Upload the photo of the front side of your passport. Read the terms and conditions here. Then upload your photo here. The photo should be 400 into 600 pixel and it should be less than 2 MB. You will then be redirected to this page where you need to fill all your details. Enter your name, phone number, date of birth and passport details. Add the address of your Indonesian accommodation here. Add the PIN code here and the below inputs will be pre-filled. Don't worry about the immigration office. Upload your return ticket here in PDF format. Then upload the PDF of your passport. Note, your single passport PDF should contain both your front page and your last page. Then enter your email ID here where you want to receive your e-visa. After that, you will be redirected to this review page. Click this check mark if your details is correct for individual inputs. In the passport section, please check the date of issue box. It will always be wrong and you will have to override it. Click on save and then click on yes. Check the details here and then click on the submit button. Click on the with register button. It will ask for a password and create an account for you. This is important because you can then log into your account and check your visa status. Verify all the details and then click on the payment button below. You will get 3 hours 30 minutes to make the payment. Use a Visa or a MasterCard for payment. Make sure the international transactions are allowed on your card. You can find the international transaction settings on your banking app. Make the payment and you are done. Your visa will arrive on your email in just 10 minutes. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe.